Hey Tech Trends fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a tool that's completely changing the game for developers, Warp.dev. If you're tired of the same old terminal experience, get ready to be blown away. Warp isn't just a terminal, it's a smart, AI-powered command line interface designed to boost your productivity. Let's see how to download, set up, and unleash its full potential. First things first, let's get Warp. Head over to the official website. You'll find it the description box. You'll find a clear download button right on the homepage. It's that simple. Once installed, launch Warp. When you launch Warp for the first time, you'll be greeted with a clean and modern interface. You'll need to create an account or sign in with your GitHub or Google account. This is important for enabling features like shared sessions and AI-powered commands. Once logged in, Warp will guide you through some initial setup steps. This includes setting up your shell environment and optionally importing your existing terminal configurations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Notice the block-based structure, which we'll explore shortly. Let's get into the core functionality. Typing commands in Warp feels different. Each command and its output is treated as a block. This makes it incredibly easy to select, copy, and navigate your terminal history. You can use your arrow keys to move between blocks and even collapse them for better organization. Customization is key to making Warp your own. Go to Warp in the menu bar, then Preferences. Here, you can change themes, fonts, key bindings, and more. Experiment with different themes to find one that suits your style. You can also customize the prompt to display exactly the information you need. To change the shell, go to Profiles in the Preferences. You can also configure environment variables and aliases here. Now, let's talk about Warp's killer features. First up, AI command search. Press CMD plus space or Control plus space on Linux and start typing what you want to do. Warp uses AI to suggest commands based on your natural language input. No more memorizing complex syntax. Next, the block selection feature. As we discussed earlier, each command and its output is a block. You can select these blocks with your mouse or keyboard, copy them, and share them easily. This is a game changer for sharing code snippets or debugging output. So there you have it, Warp.dev, a modern, AI-powered terminal that's designed to make your life easier. If you're looking to boost your productivity and experience the future of the command line, give Warp a try. Let me know in the comments what you think of Warp and if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Tech Trends videos. Thanks for watching.